Welcome to Galveston Island, Texas, a coastal gem with 32 miles of enjoyable shoreline and sandy beaches. We always dreamed of a wedding that felt truly like us, not a huge formal affair, but an intimate gathering of our closest people. This venue, perfectly sized for 30 guests, was everything we hoped for. It promised a celebration that was personal, intentional, and absolutely unforgettable. The best part? The celebration didn't have to end after just one night. 16 of our guests could stay overnight together right on site. Imagine waking up on your wedding day surrounded by your best friends, sharing coffee and excitement. No one had to worry about driving home or coordinating hotels. We could just be present, soaking in every single moment. The house itself, built in 1863, felt like a historic, vintage stay away from home full of character and charm. It has 5 bedrooms with 4.5 baths, so there was plenty of space for everyone to get ready and relax without feeling crowded. It was more than just accommodation. It was the heart of our celebration and extension of the entire wedding experience. The venue was a stunning blank canvas, allowing us to bring our own unique style to life. You can decorate to taste: the front dedicated parking area, the backyard, and all the beautiful indoor spaces. We draped an old palm tree and thousands of fairy lights and set up round candlelit tables for a magical dinner under the stars. And even though we had a specific vision, we were never alone in creating it. Professional help is available for setup and styling. Their incredible team worked seamlessly behind the scenes to make sure every detail was perfect, which let us focus on each other and our guests without a single moment of stress. After the last dance, when our guests had retired for the night, there was one last surprise, a bonus treat for newlyweds, a private 1-bedroom detached apartment just for your honeymoon night. It was our own little sanctuary, a quiet, peaceful place to finally breathe and let it all sink in. This wasn't just a wedding venue. It was the heart of our wedding weekend, a beautiful, historic place to keep everyone close. Make it yours, stay in the wedding magic, and create your own story in this 1863 vintage experience. It's truly special for any small group gathering.